Welcome back everybody to another video on CSS Grid. We're going to the last part of that series, and today we are going to look at how to build a responsive gallery. So I've created a new HTML template empty and a new CSS template. And what we are going to do is we are going to let's say define a few things. So for instance, we're going to say there are repeat 4 columns of 100 pixel, and we'll let the rows be implicitly named. And here we are going to create some divs, and let's say this one is going to be vertical. We're just going to create a few of those. Here we're going to create horizontal. I'm going to create a few of those. Then we're going to mix them up. All right. Here we go. In the body div, we are going to let's say give them some height, 100 pixel, and background color of, let's say, tomato. There we go. So we have our elements here. If we check here what's going on, we do have our elements here, and we don't really want to have something like this, so we're gonna do something like this, and we are going to also give it like a small gap, let's say rams, so you see all of our grid elements. And what we are going to do is to say, for instance, that our div horizontal are going to have a background color of teal, for instance, and body div vertical is gonna get the tomato, background color of tomato. We don't need this one anymore, and there we go. All right, so as you can see here, we do have our grid that's on the top left, and we're going to do a few interesting things with it, especially doing it as much responsive as we can. We're going to make vertical span be vertical images, horizontal one will be horizontal one, and I'm going to add squared one as well. And we're going to see how you can actually build a really nice gallery using CSS Grid. And this is going to be for the next video. I hope to see you there. Cheers!